drive it without crashing?
You're gonna let me drive? Not right now.
Yeah, you can drive it, no problem. Really? Yeah, of course.
Oh my god, the man is so YouTube Wagwan, man. You know it's your boy Click, and you're tuning into Click React. I don't know if you guys have ever seen any video chats or any like Skype sessions of Adin Ross talking to Andrew Tate, but they've always been hilarious for some reason. I mean, we know the reason, but Tate is always bullying Adin. And today, for the first time, they met in person. So we're just going to be reacting to that. Guys, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit subscribe, turn on post notifications, drop a like, and let me know what you think about, you know, their meeting. How did you think this meeting went? We're just going to get right into it. I'll see you guys later. Oh, shit.
What? I'm pranking right now.
Man brought out the big whips. Man said, how many Bugattis did Andrew Tate say he has? I know it's more than one. He's always hyping about it. Sharon. Why is man standing like that? Like, why is he standing so awkward?
Oh, yeah. Oh, wow.
That's what I told him. I said, you was the same guy that was in the other one.
That's crazy.
Crazy indeed.
All right, guys. See everyone later.
Don't get in the man's car before he slaps the shit out of you.
Excuse me, sir. Get in my car real quick. Thank you.
You can drive it without crashing?
You're gonna let me drive? Not right now.
Yeah, you can drive it, no problem. Really? Yeah, of course.
Oh my god, the man is so mean, bro.
Never, ever walk the street.
Okay.
No.
My heart is broke.
Oh shit.
That hurts more than a breakup, I swear to God. Look at this car. I mean, like, it's so fine.
And that's the last video I think I seen of them where he was talking to him or giving him advice. Or no, I think Adin was telling him that he went through a breakup, and basically I think she made an OnlyFans like right after or something like that, and Andrew Tate was basically saying, you know, she been cheated on you because she just didn't randomly, you know, do this out of nowhere. I don't know if Adin believed it or not. I don't know if this guy's just a good pretender or just soaking up the information, but who knows? You know what I mean?
Oh, he's smiling at me too, man.
Man, I'm not gonna lie, this car is sick. And the wrap is dirty. Wow.
Come on, man. Damn, the car is crazy.
Ha!
That shit is insane. $5 million for a car? I'm good.
Wait, what? I did not even realize that it's 5 M's for the oh, nah, bro. Honestly, maybe because I'm not a billionaire, but that's the only way I would see myself buying something like that as a car. Let me know what you guys think, man. Because 5 mil for a car? It also depends on where you live too. If it's something you can drive every day, then that's a little different. But can you imagine if a car costs 5 mil? How much does it cost to fill it on gas? You know what I'm saying? Crazy to really think about it. But guys, what do you think? Do you think he was just joking around? You think Andrew Tate was just joking around, or you think he was being an asshole as usual, man? Because I think they're just joking around. You know, it's social media. It's for the internet, so you know they just do their thing. He's probably just really chill on the regular, to be honest. They're just doing it for the cloud of it all. But I'll catch you guys later, man. Don't forget to drop that like, sub, turn on post notifications, man. I'll see you guys later.